This video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your border in Canva. So in order to change the color, let's start with making a border first. There are many ways, so let's choose a simpler one. Let's say rectangle. Yeah, we can use this rectangle. So what we can do is this handy one way. I'm just showing you, right? So let's change the background into something like black, and let's change this into white color. So can you see how it just automatically turned into a border? So now if you want to change color, simply tap in the sideways and choose any color you like purple or blue or lime green or gradient. You can also choose gradient, it looks more prettier. Yeah, stuff like that. So this is how you change the color in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.